Hello friends, I am Dr. Pramod Bokade from Priyadarshini Bhagwati College of Engineering. Welcome you all in this video tutorial series on LaTeX. So friends, this is our ninth video in this tutorial series. So in previous videos we have seen some of the fundamentals commands required to produce the LaTeX document. So friends, we have seen in previous videos that the various font size available in the LaTeX is 10 point, 11 point and 12 point. But sometimes we require the font size bigger than this normal size, or sometimes we require a very small font size than the normal size. Now these options are available in the LaTeX. Friends, what are the various font sizes available in the LaTeX that we are going to see in this video tutorial series. Now friends, the various font sizes available in LaTeX are listed here. The first font size available is tiny. This is the smallest font size available for producing the LaTeX document. Then the next one is script size, footnote size, small, normal size, large, 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 huge and huge. Huge is the biggest font size options available in LaTeX. Now let us quickly see how these commands are going to produce the text in various sizes. So let us quickly jump in the Text Studio and let us check how these commands are going to produce the outputs. So I will go back. I will go to the Text Studio. I will quickly produce the new file. So I will click on new. So it is going to produce the blank file. Then let us zoom it. I will come here. So this is your blank LaTeX file. I will quickly go to the wizard, click on quick start. So if you can see here, as I will click on quick start, it is producing one dialog box. So inside this dialog box, if you can check here, the typeface size is 10 point, 11 point, 12 point. Depending upon the requirement, what font size we have to keep, we have to select it. These are the only three font size available in the Text Studio. So I generally prefer to select the 12 point. So I will click on 12 point. Rest of the settings or the parameters I will keep as it is, and I will quickly click on OK. So as I will click on OK, it is going to produce a sample template. Now here in this case, to check the various font sizes available, I will going to consider a simple statement. Let us have the statement like this: LaTeX is a typesetting system. A very small sentence I have considered. I want to check all these text sizes: tiny, subscript size, footnote size, use and so on. So there are various commands available for changing the font size in LaTeX. So for that I will go and quickly copy and paste this sentence. I have a multiple copy of this sentence. Now let us go on applying the command one by one. So if I want to produce a tiny font size, a very small font size, then what I will do here, I will go and select this sentence. I will apply the curly braces. So I have the text inside the curly braces, and I will apply the command \tiny and give a space. So whatever the text I have given inside the curly braces, the font size applied to that text will be tiny. So this is the smallest font size applied on this sentence. Now I will apply the another font size on this text. So I will go and select, I will apply the curly braces. Now the next font size available is backslash script size. Script size. Then the next font size available is, again I will go select this sentence, apply the curly braces, and I will give backslash small. So you will say how difficult it is to remember all these commands. So friends, once you have started using this LaTeX and practice on it, this command seems to be easier. But still, if you don't want to remember these commands, there is one button provided here. If you see at below this menu bar, you will be having one toolbar. So inside this toolbar, if you click here there are different font sizes available. So you can go and select from here. So how to do that? What I will do here, I will select this sentence, and if I have to apply some another font size, I will go to this button, I will click on this. The next font size available is normal size, so I will apply the normal size. So if you see here, the command automatically comes here. So similar to this, I will apply the different font sizes available. Again select, go here, then large size. Then again, if you see here for large size, the command is backslash large. All these letters, they are small case letters. Again for next, I will select, go to the button, then capital LARGE. Similarly, I will apply all the font sizes to the remaining sentences. You can remember these commands, or if not, if you can't remember this, you can go and select from this. So much facilities are available in the Text Studio. So that's why I was recommending you to use the Text Studio rather than TextWorks or rather than TextMaker, the other LaTeX platforms available. So in my opinion, the Text Studio provides most of the facilities. So these are the various font size available. I will remove the remaining two sentences. So let us quickly compile this and build and view how these commands are going to produce the various font sizes in the LaTeX document. So I will go here and click on build and view. It is compiling, it will take some time. So if you can see here, the compilation errors, if there, will be shown in this window, and if there are no errors, the message will be displayed as process excited normally. So when we are compiling the source code first time, it takes more time, but if you go on clicking again and again, it will go on checking the errors and compiling the document fastly. So as this is the first time, it is taking some more time, so the processing is still going on. So let us wait for it. It is almost on the verge of completion. So your output document will be produced in the window which is to the right of this side. If you see here, the same sentences, I have written the same sentence, LaTeX is a typesetting system, and applied the various font size on this sentence. So it has produced the sentence in various font sizes available. So the first we have seen, this is the smallest one, and that is produced due to the command /tiny, and the last one is the largest one, which is produced due to the command /huge. So there are minor changes in the font size. If you see here, this huge, small huge, and capital HUGE is approximately same, but there is a slight difference in the font size. So in this way you can apply the various font sizes to the contents of your document. If you have a large paragraph of text and if you want some part of this text to be small or bigger than the normal text size, then you can have this command. So let us check for this. Suppose I am writing here latex, go and click here. Latex is a typesetting system. Let us consider that you don't want the same font size for this. If you want that this latex to be displayed bigger as compared to the remaining text, so what I will do here, I will go and select this latex, apply a curly brace, and let us consider that I will apply here one command. Let us consider that I want the huge size, so I will apply \huge command here, \huge command here. Now let us go and see what will be the output. So what is the expected output here in this case? I will explain. I will put it on processing. Now the expected output is your latex word will be displayed bigger as compared to is a typesetting system. So let us quickly check the output. It is compiling, and after some time it is going to produce the latex is a typesetting system. If you see here, latex is, see the last sentence, latex is a typesetting system. Only the term or the word latex is bigger as compared to the remaining text. The remaining text is of 12-point font. So in this way, any part of your sentence, any word, any paragraph, any line, it can be highlighted by putting the bigger font size or a smaller font size. So friends, if you have understood this commands, I request you to like my videos and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding this various font sizes, you can put your doubt in the chat box. I am going to definitely answer your chats within 1 or 2 days. So a question may come in your mind that, sir, you have only told what are the different font sizes available, but what about the various fonts? So that we are going to cover in the further videos. So for the time being, wait for that video. So friends, thank you very much.